make this Nutella jar gift bag with me. So here I am in Cricut Design Space, and these are my bookmark projects. Gonna click on this project right here, and you can see what that project looks like. They have some images here that you can scroll through. Also see what the designs actually look like. You can see the creator here, also the tools that you'll need to create this project. Just gonna scroll through, see if there's anything else here. You can also see that over 1.4 thousand people have bookmarked this project. I'll just click on edit a copy, and there are 3 different gift bags included. I don't need all 3. I'm just gonna delete 2 and leave 1. Also gonna delete 2 of those flowers and leave 1 as well, or not flowers but the ribbons, and leave 1. Then I'll click the make button, and I actually forgot to switch my Cricut machine to be my Cricut Maker 3, so I'm gonna go back and do that right here. Choose my Cricut Maker 3, click the make button, and then you can see the gift bag, and then you can see the ribbon as well. So I'll click the continue button and connect to my Cricut Maker 3, and I'm using regular cardstock, although one of the cardstocks that I'm using is a patterned cardstock. You can see those supplies here. That mini jar of Nutella that I bought from Walmart, it was about $1 and some change. Dollar Tree may have these as well, but I thought it would make a really cool, neat project, especially for like party favors and things like that. Just some regular blue cardstock, this patterned cardstock. It's white on the back side. Also have my Barely Art glue, but you can use a hot glue gun if you want to. I will say that I thought I was going to need my perforation tool, but those little dashed lines were actually cut without a perforation. My Cricut blade cut those, so don't have to worry about a perforation blade for this project. These are all the supplies, so you can see that gift bag has been cut, and you can see those little bottom cuts as well. I assume that the bottom of the Nutella is supposed to fit in there, but I didn't try to force it in there. And you can also see those lines that look like perforation lines. Again, I did not need to use my perforation blade, which I was very appreciative of. So here you can see me just bending that gift bag. And I'm actually going to move some of this stuff out of the way so that my camera can focus on the gift bag. Okay, so now you can see those little indentations or cuts on the bottom. You can also see where those quote-unquote perforation lines were cut. And yeah, so you don't need a perforation kit. That's the little flap that you fold over into that slit right there. And from here, I'm just going to put that Nutella into the gift bag, and I did struggle a little bit trying to put that flap inside of that cut, just because that, I guess because that cut was still pretty fresh and rigid, so I did have to kind of force that little slit to go inside of there. But this was a very quick and easy project. It literally took maybe 5 minutes to cut and assemble this project, and those are the type of projects I love. That's why I love paper crafts, especially easy paper crafts. Look at that, so easy. So if you have a party, any type of party or celebratory event, or if you just want to make these for people just because, go ahead and do that. So easy. Now I'm going to work on that ribbon. Let me move that out the way. Okay, so with this ribbon, those are the bottom pieces, so leave those. But essentially what you'll do is just fold over each of the other flaps. I'm using my Barely Art glue for this, but if you have a glue gun, I definitely recommend that, because it's just going to help that glue to dry faster. So again, just folding over all those pieces. Now that little piece at the top that's still sticking up right there, you're going to put your glue on that piece, and that is what's going to hold everything together. Again, if you have a hot glue gun, definitely recommend that for this part right here, because it's going to help that glue to dry a little bit faster. You can see me spinning that over on the back side and just pressing firmly so that that glue can just go ahead and bond all the pieces together. Again, just applying some firm pressure there. Okay, so that's the finished ribbon. It looks so good, so easy too. Okay, so that is the Nutella gift bag. I'm gonna put the ribbon on the top right, just over here on the right side. I don't want to block that little slit to open up the gift box, so just gonna put some glue on the back side. Again, if you have your hot glue gun, go ahead and use that instead. And again, I'm just gonna press firmly on there. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. This was a very quick and easy project. Absolutely enjoyed making it. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Okay, so if you all have any questions, please leave those down below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.